I love tiramisu, it's one of my favourite desserts, a heavenly blend of rich and creamy mascarpone with booze and coffee-soaked sponge fingers. It's the perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess and bitterness from that coffee and the rum. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now today I'm using all the hacks and shortcuts to get the prep time for this delicious dessert down to 10 minutes. And then it goes in the fridge and it sits there until you're ready to serve. It's the ultimate make-ahead dessert. So let's get started. Add 480 ml or 2 cups of mascarpone into a large bowl and give it a good whisk together for about 2 minutes until softened. Now a lot of people can be put off making tiramisu because it traditionally involves using raw eggs, and it can also involve whisking egg whites with sugar and the egg yolk and the cream, which is essentially making a custard. So today I'm going to be using really good quality store-bought custard instead, no raw eggs in there. And we're going to pour in just a little bit into that mascarpone and mix it in so it's well combined, and then we're going to carry on adding that custard in. Now we're going to be using about 800 ml or 3 cups and a third of ready-made Madagascan white vanilla custard. We want to add in a quarter of that to the mascarpone and whisk it in so it's fully incorporated. Once that's all whisked together with no lumps, then add in the remaining custard and whisk until fully combined, and then put to one side. To a medium bowl, add 240 ml or 1 cup of cold espresso or very strong coffee. To that we're going to add 5 tablespoons of dark rum and mix it together. We want to layer the bottom of your tiramisu dish with espresso soaked ladyfingers. For my dish this is about 22 ladyfingers, so take one of the ladyfingers and we're going to turn it 3 times in the mixture and put it straight in the dish. I just love how they soak up all of that coffee rum flavour. Repeat until you've covered the whole bottom of the dish. Now we're going to spoon half of that custard mixture over the top and smooth it out evenly. Then we're going to top with another layer of those espresso soaked ladyfingers. So I'm using 44 of those sponge fingers altogether. Now spoon the remaining custard mixture on top and smooth it out evenly. Now we're going to finally grate 85 grams of dark milk chocolate to go on top, which is about 55% cocoa, and that leaves a chunk for me. Sprinkle that finely grated chocolate all over the top of the tiramisu so that it's fully covered. Cover it and place in the fridge. Now before you come at me in the comments, I know this isn't the traditional way of making tiramisu, but those shortcuts save so much time and it's still got that iconic tiramisu flavour. Now that's going to go in the fridge and sit for about 5 hours to absorb all that lovely flavour in the sponge fingers, or you can leave it up to overnight. After about 5 or 6 hours, we're ready to serve, and those sponge fingers are lovely and soft. And there you go, that custard shortcut makes this a really quick but still luxuriously delicious tiramisu. I just love that creamy, melt in the mouth texture with that lovely rum and coffee flavour. It's my absolute favourite dessert. See you next time.